Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're reacting to
Floor Jansen and Metropole Orchestra, Sound of the Wind. That was loud, hold up. So, yesterday or when I reacted to Nightwish last, we said that, oh, they sound like a soundtrack. So somebody in the comments said, yes, they do have a soundtrack actually. So this is the soundtrack for the game.
This makes perfect sense. Cool.
So this is like a practice, it looks like. Doesn't look like an official performance.
Yeah, I think I thought they are recording it right now so they can put it onto the.
Oh, so you think this is like the actual recording of it?
Yeah,
oh,
could
okay.
be.
That's interesting.
Did you ever like Final Fantasy? Did you get into it?
I never played, no. Not this one. No.
When was this?
2015, a good minute ago.
Wow. The film quality looked like even farther back.
And also, this is for. I think this game was only for GameCube, so I couldn't have possibly played it. Because I think this icon in the corner is
GameCube
icon. Yeah.
I didn't know. GameCube is like the G looked like a cube.
Oh, you're right. You're right. That's a big orchestra, though. A lot of people.
My brother loved this game. I think I also read the book too.
Oh, Final Fantasy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Yeah, Floor is a very impressive artist. She's super versatile, man. She can do metal, she can do this, like almost opera. We've seen her do pop music covers. Incredible. Okay, this is definitely, this part right here, definitely video game. Definitely.
Something like this when I was younger I would be afraid of.
Playing?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
It's just scary. It looks too realistic. This part, I'll be fighting for my life. You never moving with a game, like you fight with the game.
Always.
My brother, he broke the joystick.
I mean, on the controllers, the joystick controllers, they do break.
Yeah.
They start drifting a little, but they're not. Yeah, because you apply force.
Yeah, it's serious. It's too much stress.
It's legit.
For kids.
Legit.
You know, when you max out a game, you go back to the other worlds and you act like a proper citizen or something like that in the world. That's what we used to do, and especially for like racing games too as well. We started to drive proper, like follow street rules instead of drag.
For the GTA?
No, F-Zero. Old game, old game.
She also seems like she could be singing in the theater too, you know?
Yeah.
Like, her
Oh,
voice is-
yes. Of
Yeah,
course.
incredible.
That's such a great talent. Guys, that was our reaction to Floor performing with the orchestra. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the gang. And as always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye.